McDouble you got there, buddy. But it only came with one.
Are you recording?
Yeah. I'm just zooming. That's pretty disgusting. I'm gonna get in trouble. YouTube's gonna get mad at me. So we're starting the vlog off at McDonald's. Look at that truck over there. It looks just like that car. Like,
Honestly,
they're identical. That one's gray and that one's white. Same colors, you know. I'm totally not colorblind. See, that's a truck. Wait, no, it's a car. That white vehicle is a scooter. And you're welcome.
These niggers think they're all tough.
Gage. Gage. This vlog is very random.
Morning.
Alright, so Landon's still in the restroom. I'm done. Just letting you guys know, while Landon's still in the restroom, my new intro and my new outro are both made by Tommy. I can't say your last name. I forgot what it was. Thank you so much, bro, for making them. It means a lot to me. It helps my channel out even more. Go subscribe to him. I'll put his YouTube. It'll be on the screen right now. And he's just a really good person. Thank you so much for making them. Yeah. So Landon finally got down in the restroom. How was it in there?
Bro, they're gonna know I was taking a shit.
Well, now they do.
Is it red?
Alright, so Landon's doing the Warhead Challenge.
I don't even know what color this is. What color is it? I don't want to look at it.
That's the color.
I'm guessing it's red.
He has not looked at it. Okay, go. Eat it.
Okay.
I have mine in my mouth already.
Red. Oh, it was green.
Alright, so now we're gonna walk down to the river. Probably go explore some. Whoa, what is this? Oh, what is this? It's like an empty room. Look at the roof. The roof's like right here. This is so weird. The switch has one?
Let's close it.
No, I don't close it. It's creepy, dude. It's like this black room.
Alright, come on.
Okay, now we're actually gonna go walk near the river. Oh, there's another one.
There's like 4.
We've
already seen this before, guys. Wait, does this switch work?
No, I've never seen that one. What's in the river?
Huh?
It's like white.
Whoa.
Ew. Alright, we're like kind of down at the river. The river's right there. As you saw in the first clip. Before this, I can't talk. I'll talk to you guys whenever we're doing something interesting. Whoa.
Where do you go?
That's where all the white stuff is coming from. Okay. Oh, it's not bouncing. It's in the water somewhere.
It's stuck right there.
Oh, how did I say you can see it now? I've been in there before, but you can't really get in there now because the river's actually like higher. But before, the river was like lower, like way lower than that fence. And you could like get in here, and there's like a cave right here that we're standing on. And it's pretty cool. But it's all blocked off. It used to not be blocked off, but now it is. There's a cage and everything. So you can't really get in there, but it was pretty cool. Alright guys, so yeah, the river's like dried up, so this video's basically ruined. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget.
So, what the?
I'm recording, dude. I'm family friendly YouTuber,
What
and you're
the?
just.
I said, what the?
Look at this tree. It's like 30 something, I don't know, more than that. And it's just standing here and it's naked.
Wait, hold on.
Dude, I'm gonna get freaking YouTube copyright strike. That was legit. All right, so there's actually a bridge at this river. We're at the San Joaquin River, and we're going over there where the bridge starts, and then we're going in the middle and jumping off. No, I'm kidding. Yeah, it's just like we're meeting up with another friend there. It's gonna be a lot of fun. We made it to the bridge, yay! Bo's not there, which is okay.
I don't think he is.
He's never there. The bridge is actually very long.
Bo,
That's Madera over there, actually. So
I don't know what Madera is.
We're on the borderline, guys. And then this is just Fresno. Madera! Fresno. We made it to the bridge and there's 10% left on my phone and I'm gonna die. I'm gonna have Landon, I didn't even ask you to do this, take a picture of me like doing a backflip right here for my Instagram. So if you want to follow me on Instagram, it'll be on the screen. The train! Ah! Rocks at the train. I'm out of breath because I ran down this hill because I forgot my backpack. And yeah, so this video is gonna be titled "We Almost Got Hit by a Train," so people will watch it because this was a pretty boring video. I'm probably gonna post it anyways because this train's so loud. I'm probably gonna post it anyways. But sorry for the clickbait. I'll take it easy on clickbait because I've been using it for quite a while. What? Actually, I haven't used clickbait. I don't know why I said that. That's on my other channel. But I left that channel. Don't worry about that channel. So, yeah, Land's still up there. I'm gonna head up there right now. Okay, so I'm deciding to end the video now because that's really the end of the video. There's nothing else to do. We're always gonna stay up here. Yeah. Thank you so much to Tommy for making this new outro for me. And let's roll the new outro.